We're back out here at this project that we started just a couple weeks ago. Let's take a look at where we're at today with some fresh concrete that was put down last week. Project's still a little bit of a mess, but things are coming together. A lot of times, something that's overlooked is the actual patio area. A lot of people put a lot of cost into the patio and different textures and details. This one here is a great look, very clean, streamlined, beautiful brushed concrete with a tan dye into it to add some color and a pop of detail without overdoing it and without blowing the budget. So another detail when we came out to this project from the design standpoint was elevation change. Originally, this was actually probably about 2 steps down to grade, and figured, why don't we lift the grade a little bit? It's going to help water flow in the back here with the way the yard's draining off anyway, and it minimizes a step at the porch, making it much more comfortable to step off that porch, 1 step down, and then walk right out to this big expansive patio area. Have a nice table set laid out here, some couch furniture. This is going to be a great entertaining space. And then overlooking your pool and your patio space as it all comes together as this project wraps up. One of the features that we added on this project that you may see on some of our other projects that we like to do a neat feature, this pillar at the end of the raised wall here is going to have a fire bowl. This will have a burner inside the fire bowl, add some nice flames coming out of it here, be a cool backdrop to this pool. And it's going to be electronically controlled from the push of a button on your phone, along with all our features with this system. You'll be able to turn on the waterfall, turn on these fire bowls, turn on the lights in the pool, the heater, just from the push of a button. Really cool feature that we tied into this project to make it seamless for the client and have a great experience out back here. Take a look at the stone veneer here. This is a nice match to colors of the home tied in, and just a nice dry stacked look, clean, elevates this wall, a nice bluestone cap. Water is going to be coming out to the middle of this wall as a nice detail, add some ambiance out here. Again, flick of a switch on your phone to just turn that on and enjoy that morning, noon, or night time. But it really ties together nicely with the color palette here, the tile. Eventually that prolific blue water is going to be a cool detail. You notice behind me the filter, right now it's kind of an eyesore, but don't worry, we got that covered with a filter fence and some landscaping in the near future here. I was just talking about the bluestone cap that we use here. One of the things that we do differently with bluestone is we actually don't use a traditional mortar. This is more like a caulk in a sense. It's a flexible jointing material that we found works better with bluestone because bluestone has an unbelievable amount of thermal expansion, meaning as it gets hot or cool, it goes back and forth. Hard to believe stone has that tendency, but that actually causes these mortar joints to crack. So we use a flexible material that's going to last a lifetime.